How to make fattoush salad. This is a Lebanese salad and it is tangy and zesty. It certainly brings salad alive, that is for sure. You're going to need 1 pita bread and cut it up into chunks. Then get a griddle pan and add a drizzle of olive oil, heat it up and add the pita bread. Stir round until they turn nice and golden. This could take a few moments. Then, once golden, take them out and just place them to the side for a short while. A few people have asked, where do I get my magnetic measuring spoons from? Well, there is an affiliate link in the description below for you. You're going to need 3/4 tablespoon of sumac, along with 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and a good grinding of salt and pepper for seasoning. Then you're going to need 1 tablespoon of pomegranate molasses and the juice of a lemon and a nice chunky garlic clove that's been crushed. Mix it all round and then place to the side for a while. You're going to need 1 large baby gem lettuce chopped, along with 6 spring onions, or scallions as they're sometimes called, chopped, along with 100 grams of cherry tomatoes because they've got good flavour, and half a cucumber which has been chopped chunky, and around 100 grams of radishes sliced. Then you need to make sure that the salad is properly mixed. Sometimes clean hands is best for this. Then get 10 grams of parsley and 10 grams of mint, and you want to chop it real finely. You could add this to the salad, but I actually find it's easier adding it to that dressing which you set aside. Then you want to add some lovely fresh pomegranate seeds for crunch over the salad, and then of course your beautiful dressing you've been making. Mix it all round properly to combine. Then add the lovely toasted pita bread. This is super delicious and tasty and is really great with things like spare ribs and barbecue chicken. Enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes, and the full written recipe is on my website cookingwithemily.co.uk.